Jabich owito ngimagi e monj ma opogore counties mag Samburu kod Isiolo bang' jonjore mag kuodho ka monjogi kendo kwalo jamni moheo 500 ka olose tesendo bila ma Isiolo e kinde mar keto kenge mochwenya mar kedo kod njore mar kuodho ka makinde ka kinde. Jalup inspekta mar obila Gilbert Masengeli olero ni monj ne timore e gwenge ma Boji Dera e kaunti ma Isiolo, Ola Bule kod Aura ma e Waso e kaunti ma Samburu.
In Bojdare area, a known number of suspected bandits armed with assault rifles invaded Manyata while shooting, and in the process they stole about 250 herds of cattle and 300 goats. NPR, Kenya Police, as to NPR, the officers trailed and recovered all the 300 goats plus 30 cows during the incident, and 2 people lost their lives and 3 others were injured. The injured have been evacuated to Isiolo District Hospital for treatment, while the deceased handed over to their families for burial according to the Muslim rites. In Holapule area, a known number of bandits armed with assault rifles invaded a home and started shooting before stealing 19 herds of cattle. The NPR, the police officers responded and established that 1 man had been fatally shot, while other persons, including NPR officers, sustained gunshot wounds. 2 bandits were fatally shot across River Waso area under Samburu East, and a total of 211 herds of stolen cows recovered. I appeal to the members of the public and those affected to remain calm. The government, we are doing our level best to ensure that we recover those animals, and also those culprits who have done the heinous act be brought into book.